This week's sale at Dill's Greenhouse is all of our potting soils that goes into your containers, and all your empty containers 20% off. We have every size, color, look, anything you can think of for size of your pots. Very huge ones for around pools or on decks. And in something like this, we do suggest that you put either, first of all, you want to make sure you're drilling your holes in the bottom, and also you can put a filler in. You don't need this whole pot full of soil. Come join us today and see the big selection of things that we have.